What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Once again down here at the beach. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Headed into fall. But today we got a 1969 Pontiac GTO in carousel red. Got the 400 in it with the turbo 400 dual gate, his Hurst shifter. We also got power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. Got a working stereo. Got a super nice paint job on it. You can see the nice reflection there in the condos, which is what we always like to see. Like to see me here. Hey, how's it going, guys? See our disc brakes there. Brand new emblems. Interior super clean throughout. Got nice seat covers, door panels, the sport wheel. We do have the horn on order there. So we just got it in stock. Stereo works, got some 6x9s here in the package tray, got Bluetooth and all that. Gauges all work, fuel gauge even works. Nice solid door there. Got a beautiful sound of the exhaust coming out of the 400 motor. This is an original 242 GTO. So it is a real GTO, it's not a Tempest or Le Mans. Door panels all in excellent condition. Said bucket seats, console, dual gate shifter. Got it hooked to Bluetooth, so I can't turn it on while I'm videoing. But continue our video here. Like I said, we couldn't turn on the radio. It's hooked to Bluetooth right now, and can't do that while we're videoing. But anyways, tachometer works, fuel gauge works. The clock is not working. Like I said, we got the horn button on order there. No smoke, no knocking, just a real clean sound, easy starting. So we got power steer, power disc brakes, portion valve, real healthy motor. Sounds like an absolute beaut. Anyway, y'all, let's go for a little drive. All right, y'all, we're gonna go for a little cruise here. This is Josh from Drive the Coast. We're in our carousel red 1969 Pontiac GTO. So the radio is currently hooked to Bluetooth. I just wanted to do a quick demonstration. We're driving. Got a nice pull to her. Real nice sound. Wake up the neighbors, you know what I mean? Y'all, if you have further interest in this sweet GTO, please give me a call. One finger on the wheel, here we go.